Hey everybody, welcome to this AppColl short tutorial on timers. Timers are like a stopwatch. They're started and stopped and used to record your time working on projects during the day. At the end of the day, the timer is closed out and a billing item is created ready for invoicing. To start a timer, go to the Time Manager, hover over the clock, go down to the Start New Timer button, click on it. That'll bring up a box. You can select the client, you can select the matter, click Start, and you've started a timer. Clock will start ticking, and the hours you've accumulated will be shown beneath it. You can also start a timer directly from a matter or task list by clicking on the clock on the left of the row. If you do this, information is pre-populated, so there's less clicks to start the timer. Now I have two timers running. Only one can be running at any one time, and all the others will be paused if you have more than one. To see what timers are running, hover over the clock and you'll see a list of them. The running timer is always in green, it's always at the top. To pause or restart a timer, simply go to the line and click on it. If it's running, you'll see the pause icon. If it's paused, you'll see the run icon. Now the running icon there pops to the top. If you want to edit a timer, say you forgot to enter some hours that you've already accumulated on this task, click the edit button. That'll bring up a dialog box. You can enter the time or any other updates, click update. If you're done with the timer for the day, you can click on the finish flag and that will close it out, remove it from the list, and create a billing item. If you accidentally entered a timer by mistake, simply click on the trash can here and that will delete it. So that's timers in AppColl. Hope it was useful, and thanks for watching.